AI dancing videos are so popular right now on TikTok, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to create them just using 2 different apps. The first thing you want to do is head on over to TikTok and find trending dancing videos. You want to copy the link to that dancing video that you chose and take it over to a place where you can download it without the watermark. The one that I use is called TikTok Downloader, and I have it saved in my favorites so I can go back to it whenever I need it. Go ahead and open it up. You're going to paste that link that you got from TikTok, and you're going to press download, and it's that simple. It's going to download to your computer. Here is the video with no watermark, as you can see. If you already have your avatar or your twin or whatever it is you want to make dance, just go to Whisk and you can change her clothes, you can change her hair, you can change whatever it is you want in Whisk, or you can actually create it from Whisk. If you want to see a video on that, let me know and I will be happy to create a tutorial. I use OpenArt AI to create the dancing videos, and it's so simple to use. So just go ahead and open up OpenArt, go to videos, and then you're going to press motion sync. Right where it says Kling 2.6, you're going to open that, scroll down, click on OpenArt motion. And right here where it says select character, that's where you're going to upload the picture of the character that you're going to use for your dancing video. All right when you're finished with that, then right below it where it says motion reference, that's where you're going to upload the TikTok video that you downloaded from TikTok. Just go ahead and click on it, upload the video, find it in your computer, wherever it is that you saved it. I saved it on my desktop, so it's easy to find. And then right below this, you're gonna click where it says video guided, because you want the AI to copy the video that you just uploaded. You could either choose 720 or 1080. 1080 takes more credits, but I think 1080 is a better result. And right below that where it says prompt, you're going to leave that blank because, like I said, it's going to copy from the video that we found on TikTok. And then we're going to press create. It's going to take a little bit of time. It's going to take a few minutes. I will say about 10 minutes, and then your video will be generated. All right, and here is a video all generated. I'm going to click on it any minute now. And there it is. Perfection. I'm talking about like every movement is aligned with the original video. It's crazy. I'm gonna put them side by side so you can see it. But oh my god, OpenArt AI is where I make mostly all of my videos, and I love it. And it's a really good price to have this tool to create your videos with and create content with. But I'm gonna put them here side by side so you can see. I can't play them both at the same time, but you'll understand that they're basically the same thing, just different people. One is AI, one is a real person, but same exact movements, and it looks so good. Her outfit looks so good as well. The red on her looks really good on my avatar. Love it. Anyway, if you're enjoying this type of content, I am giving you the free sauce. So if you found this helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel, and please make sure that you hit that bell notification so you know when I upload more videos such as these. I am going to be coming back real soon with more. You can also follow me on TikTok. I upload there as well. And if there is a certain something you want to learn, please let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to try create it for you. So leave those comments, make sure you hit the like, and I will see you in the next video.